we are going to see the kid's dad.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Hey.
Dad! How are you?
There he is. Aww. Sweet. Good to see you,
Hair's
Marky.
long.
Yeah, I grew my hair out.
Hey, I love the hair like that. Some Jesus hair.
Some Jesus hair.
Aww. Aww. So cute.
You grew your hair out too, huh?
Oh my goodness.
Good to see you, Marky.
Good to see you.
It said not a
It's not
a picture.
It's not a share.
Here they go. Thank you. Oh, Gianna, you cheering them on?
Yeah.
Woo!
They
There they are. Here they go. Oh, he doesn't know. Oh my goodness. They're getting way up there. Poor guy. How's your dad holding up? He looks green. He might throw up. He really doesn't look good. Boy, this ride just seems to go forever.
He does not look good. I told him this is going to get so nauseating. Oh, good. It's slowing down.
He made it without throwing up. Isaiah's had his hands up the whole time. He's a daredevil, Isaiah. He's a ride or die guy. How was it? How was it?
Terrible.
Yeah, come to the front, Isaiah. Come to the front.